जय हिंद डियर एसएसबी एस्पिरेंट्स। आज मैं आपको एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ जिसका आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेशन है, क्योंकि आपके ड्रीम को ये कहीं ना कहीं फुलफिल करता है। और उसके अलावा ड्रीम फुलफिल करने के अलावा जो इसका इम्पॉर्टेंस है वो ये है कि इंटरव्यू में आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। इसमें कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है, इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जिस पे हो वही पूछा जाएगा, कहीं से कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है। एंड टू चेक योर डिटर्मिनेशन, टू चेक योर seriousness, definitely this particular questions is being asked in your SSB interview. So let us discuss and let us know what we are going to discuss today in this particular video shoot. We are going to discuss today motto of Indian Armed Forces. Basically motto जो होता है वो एक तरह के इंस्टीट्यूशन का एक विजन होता है, एक मिशन होता है, बहुत कुछ एक अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में बताता है। एंड दैट्स हाउ वी से इट मोटो ऑफ इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेज, बिकॉज इफ यू नो द मोटो you might be possibly knowing a lot of things about that institution by just guessing the name. Let us go ahead. The first thing which we have decided to tell you is that Shan no Varuna is given by Indian Navy. May the Lord of Oceans be auspicious to us. This is the English translation of Shan no Varuna. This is being taken by Taittiriya Upanishad. The source of taking Shan no Varuna is from Taittiriya Upanishad. The majority of mottos and the war cry or the battle cry is being taken from Bhagavad Gita or some Upanishad. I'm going to tell you today in this particular video as well, because they also ask from where it is being taken. Let's go forward. Okay, service before self. This is being taken, this is being this is a motto of Indian Army as it is written here, and this is being made by the people, so it has not been taken from anywhere as a source. Let's go forward. As comes Akashe Shatrun Jahi. It is the motto of Army Air Defense, and it knows the translation of this particular Akashe Shatru Jahi in English is kill the enemy in the sky. The source of this Akashe Shatru Jahi is Devanagari script. So it is being taken from Devanagari script, and it is the motto of Army Air Defense. Let's move forward. Nav Sparsham Deeptam, Indian Air Force, very important from the perspective of the people or the candidates who are aspiring to give their SSBs for Air Force. In English, it means touch the sky with glory. It is being taken from Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, Resh 24. It is a part of conversation between Arjun and Krishna, wherein Krishna is motivating Arjun and saying that you should go and touch the sky with glory by winning this particular yudh. Okay? The next thing is Sarve Santu Niramaya, Army Medical Corps. As you see in the cap, the badge is there. It means may all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer. So it is just a part of a shlok, but overall it means may all be happy, may all be free from any illness, may all see what is auspicious, may no one suffer. It has been taken from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. So the source of this particular motto is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Let's move forward. Veerta or Vivek. Veerta or Vivek is motto of Indian Military Academy. Basically, when you go or whenever you witness or see any POP passing out parade in IMA, you see that they always have this particular war cry or the motto. They say Veerta or Vivek. In English, it means valor and wisdom, and basically it has relation from IMA Dehradun passing out parade. Okay, let's go for the next, which is Sarvatra Izzat o Iqbal. It is a motto of Regiment of Artillery, everywhere honor and glory. It is a translation of Sarvatra Izzat o Iqbal. In 1965, it is being created by one of the very renowned armed force officer. It has been used in 1965 war as well. So that's how it has become a motto of Regiment of Artillery, Sarvatra Izzat o Iqbal, which in English means everywhere honor and glory. Okay? Let's move forward. Then comes Pehla Hamesha Pehla. It is a motto of the Brigade of the Guards. The Brigade of the Guards are very important from the perspective of defense mechanism and security. So in English, the translation says first, always first, and it is been also said गरुण काहूँ बोल प्यारे, गरुण काहूँ बोल प्यारे से ये चीज़ ली गई है, और इसके आगे का होता है, इसकी हिंदी का एक और मतलब है गरुण काहूँ बोल प्यारे, दैट मीन्स आई एम unconquered, I cannot be conquered, and I have the blessing of the God, so nobody can defeat me. Let's move forward. शत्रुजीत, हमेशा आप काफ़ी इस पर्टिकुलर रेजिमेंट को, इस पर्टिकुलर इंस्टीट्यूशन को आप काफ़ी अडोर करते हो, काफ़ी इंस्पायर्ड हो. दिस इज अ मोटो ऑफ पैरा कमांडोज. पैरा कमांडोज का ये मोटो है शत्रुजीत, विच मीन्स द कॉन्करर. द कॉन्करर मीन्स दे आर अनडिफीटेबल, दे कॉन्कर एवरीथिंग, जो हमेशा, जिनकी हमेशा विजय होती है, जो अजीत हैं, जिनको कोई नहीं जीत सकता. Let's go forward. Then comes valor and faith. This is the motto of mechanized infantry. तो इनका वॉर क्राई है बोलो भारत माता की जय. It is being taken from Sanskrit, Old Javanese, Indonesian, and it means मृत्यु का भय हमें वीरता और धर्म दोनों से रहित बनाता है. That means they have fear, but their fear is going to help them to win over everything, to not have or follow any particular religion, and that's how the faith plays very important part. तो mechanized infantry का motto क्या है? Valor and faith. Okay. So candidates, this was my video over telling you motto of Indian Armed Forces. This is very important. Try to note it down in any of your notebook and remember this before going for SSB, because definitely any of the questions could fall from any of these things which I have taught you in this particular video. So I hope that you have liked my video. Please share and subscribe to your friends as well. Do not forget to press the bell icon and work hard, practice hard, because really if you know all these things, that is going to make you edge over the others. So we'll meet soon. Till the time, everybody, Jai Hind.